Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a reading on the Libra zodiac for the full moon. And full moon, as you already know, is actually all about releasing something which is negative in your life or which is unhealthy in your life. So let's begin. I've already taken out the cards for you, Librans. In the past we have the Two of Pentacles, then we have the King of Swords and the King of Pentacles in the reverse. In the present you have the Ten of Wands in the reverse, the Two of Wands in the reverse, and Two of Swords again in the reverse. In the near future you have the Hermit, the Seven of Wands, and the Star in the reverse. The Hermit is also in the reverse, and your challenge, what I can see, Libra, is the Knight of Swords. That is, something is going to, it is going to rush into your life, some news, some message is, coming very fast and swift in your life. And this is your challenge for the full moon that, you are going to be facing, you're going to be facing right away. Now in the past, I think you were juggling with certain two things. You were juggling with two things, either in your work area or in the relationship area. You were successfully doing it, though you can see the infinity sign here. So you were successfully juggling with two things at a time, and with lot of clarity. These two cards, they show that you had a lot of clarity into whatever you were, whether it was work or whether it was relationship. You were absolutely clear. And I think this is more regarding to your work or your money, because we see the Two of Pentacles here, the King of Pentacles in the reverse. So you were busy in juggling with the money part and financial part or financial aspect of your life. In the present, we see the Ten of Wands in the reverse, which means that you have got rid of something. At least for now, you've got rid of some sort of burden which you were feeling. You didn't have clarity about it. You've got rid of it, and so you're feeling a bit lighter. But though you've got rid of it, you are still under a lot of confusion. You are still under a lot of confusion with Two of Wands and Two of Swords in the reverse. You are not able to streamline things in the direction you want to. And in the future, you have the Hermit reversed, the Seven of Wands, and the Star in the reversed. So which means that Libra, you have to go inside yourself. You are introspecting yourself. You have come out of the isolation time, the isolation period. You are feeling lonely, so you're struggling to come out of it, though you are still in a very defensive mode. I don't know, you're defending yourself. You will be defending yourself in the near future, and you will be introspecting things, and you will try to come out of the isolation in the near future. And of course, you have to align things. You have to be hopeful that things are going to turn out for the better. They are going to be in your highest good. And of course, the challenge we see is a Knight of Swords. So definitely, as we see the Star here, you should be able to whatever your challenge is, whatever your challenge is going to come to you, you will face it very, very courageously. And or this could be you also. This is also Libra energy. You are going towards something very, very very fast and quick. It could be related to your finances, or it could be related to some legal matters or something. And that's what you're juggling with the money part. And the Star card shows that you have to balance yourself. You have to be hopeful. You have to trust the universe that you will be successful. Now let's see what advice Tarot has for you for this full moon. The full moon, the advice you have by the Tarot is a Magician, the Page of Pentacles, and the Seven of Swords. This shows that you're trying to manifest something, Libra, regarding money. There'll be an opportunity regarding money, so you will be able to manifest. You'll use everything in your whatever is available to you, whatever is in your जो भी आपके बस में है, whatever is in your control. Yes, whatever is in your control, you are going to try to use all those things, and you will be able to manifest the opportunity you'll be given in the future. And but please be careful, do it very meticulously. Somebody, might sabotage it, so be careful. So this is the advice we have for the Libra, and I hope it helped. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you again. The full moon message for the Libra is to manifest the opportunity they are being given, and I'm sure that you will be blessed. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.